Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries. We're wandering around trying to find a place to plant this plant. This is Hydrangea Candlelight, but it's Hydrangea Candlelight as a small tree. It's going to grow roughly about 5 foot high and will spread around 4 feet across, just a nice full head on top. So you're going to have a stem and then a small head on top. Flowers non-stop, starting in June, end of June, and finishing in September. And of course the flowers on Candlelight start off white and then they turn pink. Really reliable variety to grow. So they start off white first and then turn pink as the year moves on. So height 5 feet and about 4 feet head on top. You can grow it in a big pot or container if you want as well, but I like to get out into open ground because if it dries out in the pot it can suffer a little bit. So if you're going to plant it out in open ground, it'll do very well in sun or half shade. Dig a hole twice the depth of the pot, put some Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, well compost and soil on top, and the same bank in around, and this lovely mini tree will be in your garden for years and years to come. Every spring give it a little trim back to encourage it to produce lots and lots of healthy fresh growth again. But it's a nice small garden tree to plant and flowers for months. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.